Hey, Justice. Merry Christmas, Justice. Merry Christmas, Justice. Did you get a toy? Well, what are you going to do with it? Oh, Justice got a present. Merry Christmas, Justice. You going to open it? Wow. Okay. Don't eat it, though. But, honey, did you teach him how to open it? Merry Christmas, Justice. You already got yours, and you were boring. We had to open it for you. No, Justice is... Jesus. Justice, really? This is how you rock your present? He's opening his present. Merry Christmas, Justice. Liberty, get out of the way, Liberty. You were horrible with yours. We had to help you. Justice, you silly goose. Let's see what you got. What'd you get? What'd you get, Justice? Move, Liberty. Liberty. Move. There it is. He actually... he actually opened his present, baby. And he likes the paper better than his present. Oh, no. Are you happy? You goofball. Merry Christmas. No, you can't. No. Okay. Merry Christmas, buddy. No, the paper. Just the toy is up there, not the paper. Don't, Justice. It's not. We really need to discuss this whole Christmas stuff.